Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will dive deep into the fascinating world of BIW robotics simulation. Discover what BIW stands for, why it is crucial in the manufacturing industry, and how it is revolutionizing the way we design and produce vehicles. Join us as we explore the ins and outs of BIW robotics simulation and its immense impact on the future of manufacturing. Robotics simulation is the use of computer software to create a virtual environment in which robots can be programmed and tested. This can be done without the need for a physical robot, which can save time, money, and materials. Robotics simulators are used for a variety of purposes, including designing and testing robots. Simulators can be used to design and test new robots, or to modify existing robots. This can be done by creating a virtual environment that mimics the real world, and then programming the robot to interact with that environment. Training robot operators. Simulators can be used to train robot operators. This can be done by creating a virtual environment that mimics the real world, and then allowing the operator to control the robot in that environment. Here are some of the benefits of using robotics simulation. Reduced costs. Robotics simulation can save time and money by eliminating the need to build physical prototypes. Increased safety. Robotics simulation can help to identify and mitigate safety hazards before they occur in the real world. Improved performance. Robotics simulation can help to improve the performance of robots by allowing them to be tested in a variety of environments and scenarios. Accelerated development. Robotics simulation can accelerate the development of robots by allowing them to be tested and debugged in a virtual environment. Thank you for joining us on this thrilling journey into the world of robotic simulation. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with the latest advancements in robotics and automation. Like and share this video if you're as excited as we are about building the future of technology.